Hey guys, welcome to the channel. And in this is just a small introduction about the channel and the recent videos we have started. I have started the podcast series and the mock interview series. Hope these type of series or these type of videos are benefiting to yourself. In case they do, please comment below such videos, and that's kind of a motivation for me to create content in the same format. In case you want any specific topic to be covered, or you want some specific questions that are need to be asked to the guests whom I invited on my podcast, so you can comment down those questions and the queries. In fact, you can even reach out to me via email, and I'll review your comments, queries, and will include them in the forthcoming chat shows or the podcast shows. And I would like to thank you for all the support you have been providing over the couple of years now, and I'd like to continue and bring a lot of more valuable content. In that, I would need your support as well. So thank you guys for supporting till now. Hopefully we grow together much stronger and cover all the aspects of from RPA perspective. Thank you.